All right, so we're here at the Home Designer Remodeling Show, and I'm going to take you inside Hardie Boys. This is a true specialist of architectural elements and design, and they specialize in bringing jewelry to your home. So let's check them out, from trellises to louvers to shutters to brackets to columns. So many different things here at the Home Designer Remodeling Show, but this is where you discover. This is where you get inspired. It's something that you might not know exists, but what's amazing about this product, it is maintenance free. This is all a PVC product, and what's amazing is you can have any color, any style, but this is what's going to bring your home to life. But let's go check out one thing. Right here, you would not believe that this is all PVC product. You won't have to stain it, you won't have to do anything in any form of maintenance, but you can have any grain, any color, any style. And right here, from soffits to all different types of ceiling structures, elements, this is where you make your home special. So what's amazing about the Home Designer Remodeling Show is this is where you shop, you get inspired, you discover, but you meet the experts. And here at Hardie Boys, that's exactly what they do. So dress up your home and add jewelry to the lifestyle.